In this box, I have the most anticipated Coach accessory from the spring 2026 drop. In this video, I'll open this up, we'll take a look at all of the details, and I'll show you all 14 variations of these items as well as the projected release dates. And we'll talk about what's different from those items versus the one that I got. So stay tuned. And welcome, I'm Autumn Beckman, and I'm here to help you live your most luxurious life within your budget. I post new videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those, and so you don't miss my daily community posts where I share the best sales of the day and fabulous handbags that I find. Also, don't miss my website where I have handbags and accessories for sale, as well as the My Handbag Collection Organizer. These are planner pages that I've designed to help you organize and curate your handbags and your life. The heart of which is the item tracker page. This is where you can record everything you'd want to know about your handbags and small goods. But I also have lots more pages for your collections, whether they're handbags or something else, and pages to help you organize your life. So let's get right into this box. This piece dropped with the spring 26 collection last week, and it was one of the first to sell out on the website. So I was very fortunate to get this one directly from Coach. It has the little postcard, plus lots of tissue paper, and the item in a dust bag in the center. Opening this up, I got one of the book bag charms. Let me get it all unwrapped. That's cute. Seems to be really nice quality as well. Oh, I really like that. We saw these book bag charms walk the runway on the 2016 spring show, and not a lot was said about them except by Coach lovers who were paying attention. And from the runway, we couldn't quite tell what they were, but now that we have a few pictures online and some of us are starting to get the ones that we ordered, we're seeing more details. So let's look at the details on this piece. To attach it to your bag, you have this brass spring hook here, and that has a tiny brass Coach hang tag. And that's attached to the spine of this book, which says Coach. Now, of the 14 book bag charms that were released, 2 were not books, but notebooks. And that's what I got. Mine is the brown one that says solid brass turnlock and buckles. When I got to the website on drop day, this was the only one available, and I snatched it up right away because I knew they would sell out fast. Unbeknownst to me, there was also a black one that had already sold out. I'll show you pictures of that in a minute. But mine is brown, and it's an all-leather cover, front and back. It has gold accents, and all of that gold is also debossed into the leather. Every bit of it. There's also a little stitching all around the edges. Coach is debossed on the spine, and even the gold accent on the back is debossed. When you open this up, right here on the first page, you get the Coach Creed printed on the paper. It even has a registration number. And the creed reads, "This is a Coach notebook. The story patch is our badge of authenticity and a reminder of our commitment to quality and craftsmanship." When you go past those end pages, this first page has a little tidbit about Coach, the iconic horse and carriage, which is Coach's first house logo. And then when you flip through this notebook, most of the pages are completely blank, but as you can see, there are a few that have little Coach tidbits. On the end pages at the back of the book, it has a little bit about the trademark and that this was made in China. And just before that, it says, "Our craft, your story." This miniature notebook is crafted with leather expertise that dates back to 1941. Edge painted by hand, it comes filled with blank pages designed for new stories. A small symbol of our heritage, it's made to inspire creativity, spark new ideas, or simply accompany you wherever you go. Hang it on your bag and explore your story. Obviously, since it is a little book, it does have a little bit of weight to it. It's 4 ounces. It's 11 centimeters tall, 8 centimeters wide, and 1.5 centimeters thick. It costs $95 and it looks like this on a bag. This is my Longchamp Le Pliage in the large size. I wanted to use a bag that a lot of you would be familiar with so you can get an idea of how sizable this notebook is. And the book bag charms would be the same size. I think that's rather cute. This is the black notebook bag charm that was also released at the same time as this one. As far as I can tell, it is identical to this, all leather, just black, same exact design, but the text on the front is different. It says "Courage to be real." And I know it has the blank pages inside with Coach tidbits. I would assume they're all the same. Both of the notebooks, you can find them on the website right now. And by the way, I will have these and all of the book bag charms linked in the description box below. The notebooks are the only ones that currently say sold out. The rest say they're coming in a particular month. So let's go through the others in chronological order of their release dates. All of these books that are scheduled to be released in March were already released on March 1st. And they sold out very, very quickly. I did do a community post about that here on YouTube on the posts tab, so make sure you're subscribed so you see those. I also posted it to Instagram and LTK and Facebook. So follow me on those different sites because that's the fastest way to find out about all the new drops, especially things that sell out so quickly. Now the rest of these bag charms are all real books that have been published in the world, and when you open them, I thought that they might all be notebooks like the one I got, but these are actual books. They have all of the text printed inside of them. They also have one feature that the two notebooks do not have, which is a little tab on the side of the book to keep the book closed. I would guess it would be a magnet. That is really handy. I wish the notebooks had it too, but I suppose I could get an elastic band to tie around my notebook if it becomes a problem. There were 5 books released for March. This first one is Little Fires Everywhere. Friday, I'm in Love. I'll Give You the Sun. Sense and Sensibility. And I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. Now, something else to note, I heard this from someone on social media who got one of these book charms in person already. They said the spine on the edge, that solid color, is leather, and then the little piece that keeps the book closed is leather, but nothing else on the cover is leather. They didn't say what the material is. I don't know if it's paperback or a cardstock or like a heavy cardboard type of situation. I don't know. Let us know in the comments if you know. I felt like that was a little disappointing. Coach can certainly print on leather, but I'm sure they had a reason for doing it. And I am glad I got one of the notebooks that is all leather. And if you're wondering why this staggered release, I can't answer that. I don't work for Coach, but I would imagine it has something to do with production. There are 3 book bag charms scheduled for release in April. Untamed, although I feel like I saw somebody was able to order this, but they got a message it was on back order. Honeybees and Distant Thunder, and The Forest of Wool and Steel. Nothing scheduled for release in May, but there are 4 book bag charms scheduled for June. The Book of Answers, Honmono, The Try Everything Life, and forgive me if I butcher this, but Welcome to the Hyonnam-dong. Let me know in the comments which one you're planning to get or which one you were able to get. Is it on its way to you yet? Have you gotten a message that it's on back order? If you got one of the book titles, did you get it because you love that book? Or did you get it because you love the colors and you think that would look great on your bags? If you got one of the notebooks, do you plan to write in it? Or draw in it? Do you plan to use it as a notebook? I'm definitely a notebook person. Will I use this one? I don't know. I have so many notebooks that I've collected and not yet used. At least for a while, it will probably only be used as a bag charm. And it just occurred to me I may have to be careful with this in the rain because it is, after all, paper inside. I can always just remove it from the bag and tuck it inside. So let me know what you think of these in the comments below, and while you're down there, please check out the links I have to the book bag charms, as well as the links to my website for handbags, accessories, and planner pages. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.